Our interior design workshops for students, I genuinely believe, deliver some benefits for not only the schools and colleges who host them, but also the students who actually attend them. For the benefits for the schools and colleges, it demonstrates and delivers a positive message by endorsing their forward-thinking and creative culture, and I'm sure this will appeal to prospective students and their parents alike. And as our sessions are usually videoed and photographed, once permission is granted of course, Katie carefully edits them and can be forwarded on to them schools and colleges for use on their website, in newsletters and even on their social media. Oh, and as our workshops can complement the curriculum objectives, it doesn't add to the teacher's workload. This can only be a bonus for them, I'm sure you'll agree. As for the students, our interactive sessions give them a real hands-on experience of what it could be like in the creative world. As the students work in groups of 4, this helps them to develop their communication, creative, problem solving and presentation skills. And for the students who don't really engage strongly with traditional academic routes, it gives them a glimpse into the creative and design-led careers which they might not have considered. And if all this is sounding a bit too good to be true, I can assure you it's not, as a number of our schools and colleges will testify. So why not get in touch? Your students will thank you for it.